Welcome back, guys, in MLOps Academy, and I hope you will be all fine. As you know, we have started our MLOps course, and we are going to do our week one. And in week one, we in previous two lecture we have discussed the theory and some all important commands and the practice. And in this session, we will complete our quiz and share some resources with all of you, and I will give you a homework. So if you are new on this channel, so please subscribe this channel and follow this playlist and like this video and share with your friends as well. And if you missed the previous two videos, I add the link in the description. Please go and first see that videos, then come here. So guys, as you know, first of all we have our quiz, and I will read a question and you will choose a correct answer from here, and then you can send me your answers in below in comment section, or you can me send in the discussion group. I added the discussion group link in description as well. So our first question is, you want to run a Python training script on a server and keep it running even after you choose your after you even after you close your laptop, and which command do you use? So this is a very important command. We discussed this in the previous lecture, and now here are the some options. Here are four options. You have to choose the correct option and send it to me. So this is our question one, and our question two is, your ML model API crash at 2 a.m. and you want to search the log file for all error and messages. Which command is the correct one? This command as well we discussed in our previous lecture, and now you have to choose the correct command, and then you send me, and I will check your answers and I will tell you your answers are correct or not. Next question is, you need to store your AWS secret key for a Python script. What is the correct professional approach? So this is a very important topic in the Linux, and the which sorry so you gave me the answer. I was telling you about that topic, but you have to give me the correct answer, which is the correct professional approach. Here are the four options. You have to choose the correct one and send it to me. The next question is, what does the tiled symbol, this is a tiled symbol, mean in a Linux path like tiled and projects slash projects? So this topic we discuss in the theory section, and I tell you about all about the tiled sign, and here are the some options. Please choose the correct one. The root directory, the current directory where you are now, your home directory, or your level up from current directory. Please choose the correct one answer. Then you run a script and get the permission denied message on your screen. What is the most likely fix? If you want to fix the permission denied issue for yourself, then what will you do? So here are the four options. You have to choose the correct one. The next one is, what is the difference between the greater sign and greater mean double greater than sign when used with a file? So we discussed this in the previous lecture. They do the same thing. Override greater than overrides the file completely, and double greater than adds to the end of the file. Double greater than overrides, and greater than appends, and the last one option is greater than creates new files only, and double greater than edits existing files only. So you have to choose the correct answer. The next one is, why should you always use a virtual environment for Python projects. So this is the important concept in the Linux virtual environment. So you have to choose the correct answer for this question to make Python run faster. It is required by law in the UK, and each project can have its own packages version without conflicts, and the virtual environments use less disk space. The last one question is, you want to see your model's log file updating live in the real time when it is running. Which command do you use? So here are the some commands. Choose the correct one. So this was our the quiz section. Next section is the resources. Here are some resources where you can get the help and you can improve your Linux skills. The first resource is the YouTube channel named Tech Word with Nana. So here is this YouTube channel, the Tech Word with Nana. So I don't know who is she, and I just see her videos and I like the videos. So I am telling you as well, because I don't know who is she, and I am not asking you come on my channel. I see here the some videos and I like these videos because she is explaining well. Linux commands in 30 means 20% of Linux commands, and here are some more uh, videos you can see here. And this Tech Word with Nana is a good YouTube channel for the Linux, and for this course you can get help from there. The second one resource is this is a website like it's the Linux game, and you solve puzzles here using the Linux command. There are the some levels, and like here you can see here level 0, and then level 0 say level 0 to 1, then level 1 to 2, then level 2 to here are the some levels. You have to complete these levels. So if you complete these levels, these will help you in these levels will help you to getting the full control on the Linux. The third resource is the linuxjourney.com. This is a beautiful step-by-step guide. This is a complete Linux journey. You can see a Linux journey, and here are the some like getting started command line interface, and here are some more. But you have to do only the Linux discussion. Linux journey now part of LabX. So here are the complete Linux journey. You can get help from here. The next resource is ExplainShell.com. What is this? This is the a website. You can write down here any command if you are confusing, and this will explain you that command. I write down here ls minus la, and this website explain this command in detail. So if you are getting confused about any command, you write down here, and this website will explain your commands in details. The last resource is cmdchallenge.com. This is the short puzzles where you must solve each one with a single Linux command, like this. You can see here. Here will be the puzzle you have to solve here. Like if you want to solve this one, you will write here the hello world and you press the enter. Then that one completed. Print the current working directory if you want. So here will be the some quizzes. So you solve this, and this will be interesting. So list name of all files in the current directory, one file per line. So like this you can output does not match expected lines, try again. So if you do any mistake, this will help you. So our resources tab completed, and the last one is the your homework. First of all, you have to install your Linux terminal on your system. Then you have to complete exercise 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, which we discussed in the previous video. And you have to, the next step is you have to go Tech Word with Nana on YouTube channel and watch the YouTube videos related to the Linux system, and then complete over the wire Bandit level 0 to 5. Like here are the levels. You have to complete this, and then complete the quiz above all 8 questions. Here the quiz section, you have to complete this one, and the last one, you come on this website and complete here some quizzes. So this is our complete week 1 content. In first lecture we discussed the theory, in second lecture we discussed the commands and practice, and today we discuss quiz, resources, and the homework. And if you want to become a MLOps engineer, so the week 1 is the very, very, very important for your life, for your future, because these are the building blocks. If you don't do this, so in future you will confuse about the other topics. So hopefully you enjoy our week 1, and for week 2 you subscribe this YouTube channel, and first you have to complete the week 1, then you join week 2. Don't skip the week 1, and minimum give 2 weeks on this week 1 content. Then you can join our in the week 2 content. In week 2 we will discuss about the Docker, and I have divided the Docker topic into the two section. One we will discuss in the part 1, will discuss in the week 2, and part 2 uh, will discuss in the week 3. So hopefully you understand these topics, and we will I will see you again in the next lecture. Thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.